InterNACHI has a website builder. We've partnered up with InterNACHI's official vendor for inspector websites. And that's at nachi.org/website, nachi.org/website. Get a custom built home inspector website. They work exclusively for InterNACHI members only, no one else. And they partnered with InterNACHI to provide a low price of $299. That's a one-time design fee and $16 a month, or maybe $20 or $27, depending on what features you want. That's it. $299, one fee to design the entire website. And then you need to host that website. And that's a hosting fee. You don't even pay them. You pay Wix. Ever hear of Wix? Wix.com. If you don't have a website, build one right now for free at Wix. Wix.com. Wix.com. Build a free website. You'll have to pay a hosting fee, right? With a nice domain name or URL address. That's the $16 a month or $20 or $27 a month that you pay Wix. Go ahead, design it. Design it yourself. I want you to have a website. But if you don't have time, if you think your time is precious, if you want to manage your time well and delegate tasks down to someone like the InterNACHI marketing team or InterNACHI's website design company, then you hire them to do it. And it's totally affordable. And it has SEO. Have you seen my website? Here's my website, bigbeninspections.com, bigbeninspections.com.